Bolognese, what else? What can you think of? Bolognese, aglio olio, but we rarely hear bersagliera. So bersagliera basically is a tomato. Thank you.
Parang convincing na rin yung color kaya nila appetize.
Can somebody taste and see the texture of the pasta first? So that way you know what I'm talking about.
Kasi yung mga kimchi base, meron ko. Kailangan namin.
Kimchi base. Usually ano lang po yun eh. Gochugaru, yung chili flakes ng Korean.
And then ito po, more on so kung taste nyo po ay mas sumakan sa marala. Yang chow. Ito naman po sa medyo sweet. 34 pesos.
Later at 3, we are going to make cocktails.
Yes po.
So if you want
And
to
pwede
drop
nyo
by.
po i-taste po yung gagawin po ni Chef after.
Yes.
Pwede nyo rin i-watch po muna. Cocktails po using our drinkers make by naman. Yes.
Later at 3, we will make cocktails.
Yes po. Wait nyo po. We'll be making cocktails. Hi ma'am. Try nyo po yung chow mix po namin.
Ating assembly line.
Tama po.